Children of God, I have decided to relax my hair by myself for the first time ever in the history of me relaxing my hair. I'm scared. I've never done it before. I don't know what to expect, but I expect not to burn my hair. Fingers crossed. So I'm going to show you the product I'll be using. I've never used this before ever. Black and Lovely Professional Expertise Superior Moisture Plus. It's a no-lie relaxer. So I'm going to be using this on my hair today. Fingers crossed. Wish me well. So let's kind of unbox the shampoo I'll be using, since I've never used it before and I don't know, I might as well show you. So first thing here is the no lie relaxer cream. I am supposed to mix some things inside it, I hope. So this is how it is. I got this pack for, I don't know if it's 7,000, maybe 11,000. It's been a while I got it and I forgot to I forgot to keep the receipts for the purchases I made that day. Anyways, so yeah, this is it. This number one. This is two. This is the neutralizing shampoo. I hope you can see it. If you cannot see it, please go and buy it so that you see it very well. Okay, this is how this one came. I don't know if it's from the company of Dark and Lovely or if it's the repackaging that puts rubber bands inside. Okay, so this is the manual. It actually gives the steps for combining everything that needs to be combined and all that, but let's forget that for now. This is 1B, 1B. I'm thinking this goes into 1A, but I would read the manual, the handbook to be sure. But this is 1B. This is step 3. I don't know what step 3 is, but this is step 3 and this is step 4. This is the leave-in. Yeah, this is the leave-in. Okay, I'm thinking this step 3 is the deep conditioner. Yeah, it's the deep conditioner. So this is what you mix it with after I apply 1B. If I pour in 1B into 1A, you use this to apply it, and this is the glove that you have to put on to apply it in your hair. Yeah, I'm right. So these are the gloves for the two hands. I'm going to have to go mix up this stuff and start the process. It's gonna be something in it. So I'm going to start from the back, and the first thing I'm going to do is to fuse my shea butter to protect my edges. You see me looking this way, that's where my mirror is. I'm sorry, because if I put the mirror in front of me, it's going to block the light. I'm doing this because I normally see them do it. Okay, so let's get to the main thing. Yeah. Oh God, let's do this. Okay. So I can't see my back, to be honest. I don't know what I'm doing. It's not showing, no. So let's do the back again. Okay. I'm going to wait for a while, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then I'll go wash it off and I'll see you when I see you. Pray for me so that my hair will not be gone by then. God, please shame my enemies.
Many months later.
So I just finished washing the hair. I don't know, I feel like it didn't really relax And it's not the relaxer's fault. I think it's my fault, especially the front hair, front side area. You see the side is like the tick still, but the back is super sleek and smooth. Feels like the back relaxed more than the front side of the hair. But I don't have to manage it like that. Overall, I think I like this relaxer a lot. Like, this is the first time in a long time that I relaxed my hair and my hair didn't burn. I also feel like I noticed some increase in the length. Seriously don't know where I went wrong, but let me try it again.